I'm just putting everything back pretty much where it belongs, often as I possibly can. And it's around 9:30 and getting back at it here. I love these things. This is the also necessary slave brace that Dennis created so that it wouldn't crack the cases when the super heavy springs he puts in these things. I mean, my clutch is just mental. It's so hard. Yeah. I got those really, really tight. Yeah, without the slave, it just cracks that case right there when you actuate the clutch. This is the clutch slave that puts the post through. Yeah. Well, we're finding all sorts of yummy things in here. Yeah, yummy. This is the piston. I've taken this out and replaced that seal right there, that rubber seal right there a few times. And it's pretty much toast right now. But I have another one in the drawer in my office, so I'll just replace this again. It looks like the teeth on the sprockets aren't that hooked over. That's a steel sprocket. It's steel also. And I don't remember which chain this is. A DID, I think it is. Oh yeah, it's coming apart. Now you remove this screw, not this, which I actually did once before on a different bike and broke it. See what I was saying was I just tied this right up there. There's no reason to screw around with all the cables and all that crap. You just hang it there. I don't know, it's easy way to do it. Waiting for the compressor to shut up. These are my Jesse James stickers. Thank you, Jesse. Seal the president there, whatever the hell it is. Yeah. Pressure's running. Alright, one more try, yep. That isn't coming off. Wicked. There we go. Alright. Good old Blue Point. Thank you. For the 3/4 inch drive with 1 7/16 socket. Always sweet for getting this way over torqued. I keep this thing really tight. Yeah.